So today I'm going to show you how to duet a video on TikTok. And again, this is something simple that you can do if you want to react to a video, if you like to promote a video, if you don't like a video, whatever you want to do, you could duet to that video and react to it. Make sure you subscribe, by the way. Let me know what you think down in the comments section below. Okay, so I'm here in the Content Creator Tools channel on TikTok. I just did this a while ago. And again, I do have 2 accounts, but I'm going to click on one of my videos right here. And let's say, for example, I kind of want to react to this video because I like what this guy said or whatever. I'm going to go here to the share and I'm going to click right there. From here, you could post it on Facebook, send it via text message, and a couple other different things. You can share with your TikTok friends and all that. But right below, it's going to say duet. You're going to click right there. And now here, you're going to have different choices, guys. Remember that you have the choice to use a different camera or like the front camera versus a selfie camera. You have the choice to put filters. In fact, you even have the choice to do different layouts and all that. Depends where you want to position yourself. So let's go with the basic layout right here. And then the moment that I click this red button right here, it's going to show me the other video. So now here's the other video. So as I'm listening to the video, I'm reacting to it. Maybe I'm going like, yeah, you know, it looks good. Or maybe I'm going like this. Or maybe I don't even use my sound at all. Maybe I'm just listening. Whatever you are. But again, it gives you the ability to be listening to a video and reacting to it as well. Then I'm going to click OK right here. Stop it. Again, remember that you have different filters and different things that you could do right here. I'm going to click OK. You could kind of mess with the audio levels as well, as one level is higher than the other one. And then I'm going to click next and I'm going to post to my timeline. That is how simple it is to duet a video on TikTok. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We'll see you in the next one.